Good evening. It's New Year's Eve and I just want to add some greens on my fruit salad, so I'm thinking I could just add some pandan pudding in it. So I'm just gonna go and make this one. It's easy to make and it's quick. It only takes like few minutes for it to be firm. So I'm just gonna use this one. Let's add 2 cups of water, hot water. That's 1 cup. And it's a bit messy here. My mom is making pancit. And I'm gonna go and make my favorite fruit salad. And we already had our 12 round fruits set here. Second cup and a half. Two cups and a half. Okay. And just stir. And I'm only using a fork.
Di ba no sa recipe naglalagay tayo ng cream?
Ano?
Yung cream. Nestle cream.
Condense.
Nestle cream mo sa sugatas.
Nagawa ka ba?
Hindi na. Oo, sa Nestle mo.
All set.
Hindi na.
I'm just gonna go and pour it in here. I'm just gonna go and use this plate because I want it to be thin, and the rest here. Now we just have to wait a few minutes. It's now 7:33. It's 7:52 and this one is already firm. But let's just give it more minutes because I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go now and add it on my fruit salad. It's ready now. Where's it? I could hardly see it. I just wanna add some greens in there. Okay. Just nice color.
Dalawa.
I think I could also like add more fruits later, like fresh fruits, just to have more fruit salad. But my brother loves fruit salad, and me too. But I'm gonna only have like a little fruit salad because it's not good for me to like eat cold foods, especially on winter months. It's not good for my asthma. That's one of my triggers. So I'm only gonna have a little fruit salad tonight. I like the color of it. That I'm gonna put on the fridge to chill for later, and the rest I still have like 1 and 2. Okay, let's just put this in here. The rest, where's that pudding packet?
Oh!
Wait.
Press na press pa sila, oh.
Okay, this is my favorite on summer. It's easy to make, and I usually make it like it says on the package, like this one. And I like adding boba pearls in it, but I'm out of the boba pearls right now. So just to show you, you could put any fruits in there. I had grapes and blackberry. I usually add cantaloupe and what is it? Melon in there. But since I only have like blackberry and the grapes slice, I sliced the grapes, but I put the whole blackberry. I'm just gonna go and use this one. You could just put cubes in there. Also, I like adding sweet corn, so you could add that too. Okay, let's just scoop this and add it in there.
Oh, galing naman.
Uh-huh. Okay, you could add more fruits in there if you have other fruits. I'm almost out of milk. And just add milk. This is my favorite on summer. Easy to make. And enjoy. And my fruit salad goes on the fridge. Happy New Year!